One puppy that I don't know, so I represent for Maggy Films. You know, so we're there that brand new movie we call Problem Bike. Make sure so like, share, comment, subscribe, tell a friend about Maggy Films. You know, we always a drop the hits. People have a surprise for you. Don't go far.
Maggy Films. Maggy Films. Maggy Films.
See you out. Come on, my general. You want the bike you have to buy?
Yo!
Hey! I see the bike! That bike is a powerful bike. Come here to me, boy.
Calm me already, man.
Give the people in back them bike and let's get to work.
So what you doing in your spare time? What's that? This is yours. You're not for me, you're not for what? Auntie, how that man? Oh, more auntie still in it. Holy brother. Yeah, man. Nobody tell us no holy brother.
You're not coming?
Of course.
Problem bike, I'm a problem bike, yeah. Problem bike, yeah. Me love girls, me love girls, me love girls from all over the world. Me love white girl, me love black girl, me love.
MaggyFilms.
Maggy.